Polynomials and factorization, exercise 2.4 part 2, second problem. Use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of f of x in each of the following cases. We have already understood what factor theorem is. So in order to check whether g of x is a factor of f of x or not, first we have to find the 0 of g of x and substitute that 0 in the place of x in f of x. And if that value is 0, then g of x is a factor of f of x. If that value is not 0, then it is not a factor. So first bit, f of x equal to 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1, g of x equal to x plus 1. So what is the 0 of g of x? You have to equate this g of x to 0. That means x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. So this is a 0 of g of x. So we have to find f of this minus 1. So g of x is a factor of f of x if f of minus 1 equal to 0. So after calculation of f of minus 1, we can see that the value is 0. As f of minus 1 is 0, g of x is a factor of f of x. Second bit, f of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1, g of x equal to x plus 1. So again, what is the 0 of g of x? It is minus 1. So we have to find f of minus 1. f of minus 1 equal to 0. So as f of minus 1 is 0, g of x is a factor of f of x. Third bit, f of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6, g of x equal to x minus 2. So what is the 0 of g of x? Equate g of x to 0. Therefore x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So this is the 0 of g of x. We substitute this in the place of x in f of x. That means we have to find f of this 2. So what is the value of f of 2? 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 0 after simplification. So f of 2 is 0. Therefore g of x is a factor of f of x. f of x equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. g of x equal to 3x minus 2. So again find the value of this g of x, 0 of g of x. g of x equal to 0. That means 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. This is the 0 of g of x. Substitute 2 by 3 in f of x in place of x. So f of 2 by 3 we have to find. f of 2 by 3 equal to 3 into 2 by 3 whole cube plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 plus 12. Here this is equal to 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 minus 120 by 9 plus 12 can be written as 108 by 9 because we have to make the denominators same. So it is right 12 as 108 by 9. Okay, so that is equal to 120 minus 120 by 9, which is equal to 0 by 9, which is 0. As f of 2 by 3 is 0, g of x is a factor of f of x. Fifth bit, f of x equal to 4x cube plus 2x 20x square plus 33x plus 18. g of x is 2x plus 3. Find the 0 of g of x. g of x equal to 0, 2x plus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 3, x equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the 0 of g of x. So find f of 3 minus 3 by 2. f of this 0 value we have to find. So f of minus 3 by 2 equal to 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole cube plus 20 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 33 into minus 3 by 2 plus 18, which is equal to 0 after simplification. So as f of minus 3 by 2 is 0, g of x is a factor of f of x. So whenever we have to find whether g of x is the factor of f of x or not, first we have to find the 0 of g of x and put that 0 in place of x in f of x. If that value is 0, then g of x is a factor of f of x. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting maths videos.